Hey, welcome to iFactner.com computer networking tutorials, and we are discussing about the types of computer networking or computer networks. And we have already discussed about LANs, which are the local area networks, and will now be discussing about MANs or Metropolitan Area Networks. So MANs got their name from metropolitan area, and usually a metropolitan can be considered as a city. And if we have got different buildings in that city and we have got different computers in those buildings, and if we join those computers with any communication medium, then we have created a MAN. So a MAN can be considered as a network within a city or in a metropolitan area. So why do we need to create MAN? So let's suppose we have got a city and we have got a university in that city, and that university has 3 campuses in this city, and those campuses would like to share resources among themselves. They would like to share data plus resources. So what would they do? They will join themselves with the help of a communication medium. And this is how MAN or Metropolitan Area Network is created. And that communication medium can be just simple wires, Wi-Fi, or we can do it with the help of the satellite, or even with the help of mobile phones, or point-to-point microwaves, or with the help of the radio waves. We can also create MANs. Another example is of those of banks. Let's suppose we have a bank which has 3 branches in a metropolitan area, and all those branches would like to share customer data among themselves. So what would they do? They will create a MAN, and in this case they would create a secure MAN because customer data is important. Similarly, if we have got 2 hospitals and in a city and they would like to share patient data, then they can also create MAN with the help of the communication media to exchange patient files or data about the patient. So usually the specification of MANs depend upon the distance. So if we have got a metropolitan area and of less than 30 miles, and we have created a network, for example, between different travel agents of airline industry, then this is also an example of MAN. And if the network is greater than 30 miles radius or area, then we will not call that network as MAN, because in that case it would be a wide area network, which is WAN, and we will be discussing about WAN in our next tutorial. So guys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for iFactner.com video tutorials. If you would like to read more about MANs, or if you would like to see this tutorial in different languages, then please visit iFactner.com, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about WAN. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye.